I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking resources: ink level, dash cooldown, and your stamina bar so you know how long you can commit. Once ready, position behind cover and face the escape vector. This reduces exposure while you open. Press the dash input and immediately use a short jump to cancel recovery. This preserves momentum and lets you re-aim. Make sure to time the first dash to avoid enemy line of sight, because early overcommitment wastes ink and leaves you vulnerable. Next, you build chains. Link 2 to 3 dashes to traverse complex terrain while keeping control. Once done, reset your aim between bursts so shots land during brief pauses. This is how you trade mobility for damage. Use diagonal dashes to tighten turns and to bait opponents into predictable counters, then punish them. Make sure to vary input. Short taps give micro repositioning. Full holds give longer distance, so you control space. Finally, close the play. After your last dash, stabilize and deliver a precise shot or an ink splash to deny pursuit. This converts mobility into a concrete advantage. If you get stuck or clip geometry, immediately use a recovery jump and ink a nearby wall to reset position and avoid respawn. Make sure to watch enemy patterns and tweak dash timing to exploit their habits. Practice these sequences in turf for consistent muscle memory, so you execute under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.